Hi everyone, how to fix the Roblox error code 280? So fixing this problem is very easy, you just need to follow the steps. I will show you the two-factor solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. So first go to the Windows side, type here the add or remove programs and open it. And guys, once it was open, here you just need to click on the search and type here the Roblox. And then if there is any instances show here, you just need to delete them all. Click on that and delete all of these instances of the Roblox player you are seeing. And once you delete it, go to the Windows setup here, the run and open it. Now here you can just simply type the person and local app data person. So guys, make sure you type the same, which is the person local app data person, so it can open up the folder where we want to go. So here you just need to search for the folder name Roblox. So keep scrolling down until you find the Roblox. And now here you just need to right click on that, click on the delete. So now we are going to completely delete the Roblox from our PC. Then we are going to install it. Then open up your any browser, click on the any game and click on the play option. Now it will give you the option to download it, and then you simply click on the download and install Roblox. Once you click on that, now you just need to simply install it into your PC, and this is the first solution. If you don't want to use this solution, this will fix your problem, but if you don't want to use it, then you can go with the next solution. Open up your Roblox folder, open up your version and open up your latest version of your Roblox, and here you will see the Roblox Player Launcher. Just open it, then it will start installing the Roblox on your PC. And once it was installed, your problem is fixed. And guys, there is the two ways to fix this problem, and if any of these work for you, then please comment down below and also like this video because this is only motivation for me. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.